Time now for Consumer Confidential with KTLA5's David Lazarus. 2 points. I don't think I've ever.
A win is a win.
Well, yeah, exactly. It's in the green column.
All right, exactly. Let's talk about the FDA and LASIK surgery.
Yeah, and to put some context on this, about 500,000 adults get LASIK eye surgery every single year. And surveys show that the vast majority of them are satisfied with the outcome. Basically, if you're not familiar, LASIK uses lasers to cut a little flap and reshape your cornea to try to improve your vision. But now the Food and Drug Administration out with draft guidance today warning that there might be complications you aren't aware of. For example, the FDA says there's a possibility that you could end up with double vision or dry eyes or difficulty driving at night or even, in a few cases, chronic eye pain that results from this. Oh, and one other thing, the FDA says that even if you have the surgery, you might still need glasses. Now, this is probably going to be a surprise to a lot of LASIK people. When I posted this online earlier, I heard from a lot of people who've had the surgery and were completely pleased with it. Nevertheless, the FDA is issuing this warning saying you might not be getting the full story. LASIK surgeons, on the other hand, have pushed back saying the FDA is being one-sided and is trying to spook people with limited information. It's early in the game still. As I say, this is draft guidance. The FDA will now weigh the hundreds of responses that are coming in to the new report, and then will issue a final report, which could offer more measured guidance down the road. All I know is that my brother had LASIK surgery some years ago. Now he wears glasses again.
So crazy.
All right, Coca-Cola going from the movie theater concession stand up to the film room.
Pretty much. Coca-Cola has 3 short films out partnering with Imagine Entertainment. And it's a major film company there. The films are available as of today at Amazon Prime Video. Each runs about 10 to 12 minutes. One, according to the PR promo, has a sci-fi theme. Another is a straight-up love story. Another has a vampire in it. What is Coke doing here? Well, needless to say, at least one character at some point in the film will be seen drinking a Coke. And the interesting thing here is that this really highlights the challenge that marketers now have trying to get their message out at a time when people are going out of their way to avoid TV commercials. Think cord cutting, think premium channels. The fact that it's on Amazon Prime Video, which has no commercials, should tell you all. But it really shows that there's more creative ways coming up with to try to get through this. To me, what this looks like is product placement on steroids, or judging from the synopses of the various stories, it's Hallmark meets sugar water.
Okay. David, thank you. Appreciate
Just trying
it.
to diversify that portfolio.
They sure are indeed.
We'll see you tomorrow, 11 o'clock.
Yes.